The era of gunpowder is meeting its match. From the high-tech labs of the UK to the desert ranges of Israel, and now the secretive test sites of India, a global arms race is shifting to the speed of light. Leading this charge in South Asia is India's DRDO, with a project that sounds like science fiction, Dura-2. It is a weapon that doesn't fire bullets, but concentrated beams of pure energy. Modern warfare has a math problem. Today, a hostile force can send a drone costing $500 to attack a target. To stop it, a military might fire a missile costing $100,000. Durga-2 changes that very script. The price tag is a single burst from the Durga-2 system costs roughly 200 rupees, which is about $2.4. The logic? You're no longer paying for a rocket, high explosive, or complex guiding chips. On the other hand, you are paying for a few seconds of electricity. Now, of course, the part which is about the sustainability bit. So while an enemy can run out of missiles, a laser weapon has infinite ammunition. As long as the generator is running, of course, the weapon is loaded. Well, of course, before we get into the things you should know about Durga-2, I would like to please request you to subscribe to our channel. More as far as India builds strong Atma Nirbhar Bharat stories. And that's the confidence boost that we get when you subscribe, you like, and you share. We at AIM always bring India tech stories to all devices near you. Your comments, likes, as I mentioned again, mean a hell of a lot. Now, of course, what makes this system a game changer? Here is the breakdown. The speed. The beam travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. There is no leading the target or travel time. If you can see it, you can hit it. Now, for the power. Durga-2 is a 100 kilowatt class system. This is enough energy to melt through steel or, for that matter, fry the sensitive computer brains inside a cruise missile. Now, of course, the targets. It is specifically designed to neutralize drone swarms, artillery shells, and the sensors of incoming fighter jets. There is, of course, a stealth aspect to it. There is no bang, no smoke, and no recoil. It is a silent guardian that actually strikes invisibly. The race, as we can see, is reaching a fever pitch. While Israel has deployed its Iron Beam and the UK is testing DragonFire, India is moving into the critical trial phase. The current progress stands as this. DRDO has already successfully tested the Durga Mk2A, a 30 kilowatt system. The big goal of this is the development of the full 100 kilowatt Durga-2, which is a top priority for 2025-2026. Plans are, of course, already in motion to mount these ray guns on naval destroyers and mobile trucks for land defense. And here, of course, is the front page take. Durga-2 tells you something specific about where India believes warfare is going: speed, precision, and cost per engagement. A directed energy weapon fires at the speed of light and costs a fraction of the missile it replaces. India has now demonstrated it can build one. The borders are not getting quieter, unfortunately. The technology defending them just got considerably sharper. Please do let us know about your thoughts in the comments below on this wonderful development. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.